don't know.
He's tied up, babe.
Don't worry about it.
He's hurting him.
You can't hurt him.
Yeah.
No, he can't.
No?
No.
Oh. He was close. He's picking him in the ear.
Oh, he's holding. Bubba, you're a dog. That's a chicken.
Get him, Bubba.
There's nothing but feathers there. Get him, Bubba. Get him, Bubba. Get it, chicken. Hurry up, get him. You can eat him. He's what's it called? Conscientious objector. He doesn't fight anything. It's a big sissy. Get him, Bubba. He's holding. Look how strong he is.
Yeah.
Get him, Bubba. Don't let him bite you. He doesn't want to hurt him.
Yeah.
He's what do they call that? When you don't fight. He doesn't want to hurt him. That chicken's totally helpless. I think he's playing with him.
Yeah.
Bubba, you're the dog. He's the chicken. You're acting like the chicken. You reverse the roles. There's a name for that. It's the chicken finally got tired.
Yeah.
He's your buddy. Got warm out.
Yeah.
It's a person that doesn't fight for nothing.
I have to look it up.